How many of you are ready to take the step-by-step action? Type it down SBS in the chat box. Okay, thank you. How many of you are here want to become a skill champion? Type it down SC in the comment section. Thank you, everyone. My name is Subrata Karmakar. I am from Bardhaman, West Bengal. I am a working professional and also a diamond member of CI. And I would like to thank Kirtan sir and the CI team for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself. So let's start. Before CI, I was like lack of confidence in myself with and I didn't even ask any question in classroom and various other also. And I was also unprepared, not mentally ready. I haven't any clarity about my life, how to do things, and there is no hand holding like any live mentor in there before CI, and no support and growth oriented people around there. So and after CI, like when I joined CI through the CSMJ season, I have like wonderful experience. Like the 7 days I got like the transformation in me, the 7 days. And when I connect with Kirtan sir in one to one, I got like it is the jot down mind. I was like jot down. And when I connected like one to one for diamond, that time I got my clarity after talking to Kirtan sir in one to one. So I want to tell you, everyone, each and everyone, whenever you got a chance to one with Kirtan sir, you just grab that. So it is the decision I make that in 18th May, I take the decision to go with the diamond fully. And, and after CI, I have that much confidence in me that I go anywhere and meet new people and I can talk with anybody. And after coming to CI, I know that there is personal brand called personal brand, and we are like making video, LinkedIn, any kind of things, and know how to build our personal brand through CI. And after that also, there are lots of buddies connected with. There are so many people, and I before CI I didn't make any video and no video. After coming to CI, like okay, it's a new normal for me. Like I love that, and also contribution, like go orphanages and give some donate, like what kind of things. And also CI has also done like Bob's like be a blessings and come to the Notion skill. What is Notion? Notion is a digital workplace where all in one you got that all in one in everywhere. Okay, so that is Notion, and I didn't take that too much into my presentation. I just screenshot and show my work. Like it is the daily productivity tracker where you can measure your like day-to-day activities like success related practices, affirmation, reading in your style. Okay, so after that I have created my Google form and life coaching discovery form, then also automated in Notion also. When you fill the form in Google form, that will automatically come into the Notion. That is automation in Notion. And after that I have also created in Notion my workplace there in my style, like morning booster, visualization, daily focus, like my links, important documents, everywhere, like in there, personal space. And also after coming in the power team, I also created dashboard and all those things also here. And I enjoy that the power team work. Like that, I have lot to learn from power team. That is, I have created the lead management database. There is like various kind of work in Notion to do that, and through the recognition, like week one, week two, week three, week four, and week five, all done. And before that, triad is a like what kind of it is my now new normal tire. Jyoti ma'am, me, and Revati, and it was my previous tire. Hinal, Puspa, and me. And Tide is the booster, skill booster. Okay. So keep upgrading and talking each other, be accountable. That's why you become more productive. And what is the lesson of mine? Like, take step by step action and don't stop until you finish. What we do? Like, when we stop and we get demotivated. Like, no, it's not done. I can't do that. How? You ask higher authority for help or do it by yourself. There is internet also. Be a problem solver. Always try to do it like I am a problem solver. Try things in your way. If not works, ask higher authority. And also, yes, you protect your willpower and be sure that you have the will. So don't get demotivated anything, anywhere. Be yourself, push yourself, and be around with them like growth minded people. Otherwise, you feel down. Like what I do. Like there is Pragya also, Nitambini ji also. There are so many people. They're action taker. Be with them. Like the lattu. Okay, I give an example. There is top, and there are four lattu in running. Okay, and because of that, the still the lattu that one that was also running because of that. So be around with them and don't get demotivated. Always push yourself for more. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. It was like, and I'm grateful to be here, and I will do my best. And I also tell one thing, like after coming here, I want to share one experience of mine. Before there, I wasn't connected with LinkedIn or anything. Okay, after connecting with CI and opened the LinkedIn account, all those things, I didn't even imagine that there is like an opportunity to uh, commented with there is Anubhav Dubey, Chai Sutta Bar. Okay, I commented each everyone like top level creators like okay, and they commented on his post also. They reply me back three times. Anubhav Dubey and also D Martini, the value creator. We all know that D Martini, the value indicator. We also do that. I also commented in his post. He also loved React. Give the love React. So that's possibilities more. And I do like झोंक दो अपने आप को. There is झोंक दो अपने आप को. जितना हो सके झोंक दो. There is no limit. Be unlimited. Okay, thank you.